Xiamen Sharp Dragon International Trading Company Limited is the leading international trading company in foods and the export business in China. We have been in food industry for almost a decade. The missions are to provide consumers with the widest choice of green and organic foods, with the most competitive price and outstanding services, by using the state-of-the-art technology. Moreover, our team have sufficient experience and could offer you incredible service at all time. We've received and enjoy positive and constant feedback from our customers. Any of your idea and opinion will be appreciated and cherished, for that is the best gift for the long-run business. Our main business range from frozen vegetables like frozen edamame, broccoli and spinach, and frozen fruit like strawberry, peach, mango, and frozen mushroom like champignon mushroom and fungus, to the frozen seafood like squid ring and unagi fillet. Besides that, we have classic dim sum like frozen spring roll and sesame ball, and bean products like tofu mix and fried bean curd for you all the time. Our company, located at Xiamen, Fujian Province. Here, you will have easy access to the transportation nearby, and it is extremely delighted to meet you in person no matter where you're from. It is always nice to know new friends.